Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to a very, very late night boring episode. Thank you to HOA for staying up so late and humoring me. Tonight we're going to be doing something really fun. Last week we did another one of those Yeet pours that I called Tranquillité. Just beautiful, very tranquil colored, almost like a bouquet. And it was really, really pretty, and I kind of want to do that some more. I've had this black base coat in my head, so that's what we're going to be playing with tonight. This is a 24 by 30 inch canvas that I am repurposing. I have painted it black, and I've painted my sides and edges black also. And we're going to put a black base coat on there, but I wanted to cover up the original pour. Wasn't really crazy about it. It was okay, but it was kind of dark. So let me show you the colors real quick, and then we'll get started. Kind of a simple palette tonight, but I think is going to be really, really beautiful on this black base coat. The first one we're using is Amsterdam Pearl White. Beautiful, shimmery gorgeousness. The paint is all mixed with Golden's heavy gel gloss and Floetrol and some water in the base coat, not in any of these. This one is DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. Beautiful, shimmery gorgeousness. This is going to be very shimmery. This one is Amsterdam Bronze, my other little love affair. And we also have, and I almost used just those three, and then at the last minute I was like, you know, I kind of want to add another, like a color in there, a pop color. So this is that Aquamarine from DecoArt Treasure Gold series, which I really love this color. It's so pretty, just gorgeous. Okay, so those are those. And then my base coat is here. This is Amsterdam Lamp Black. Not very, very thick. Pretty thin, actually. There's a lot of water in this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to put down a base coat, then we're going to fill our little cups, and we're going to do some more of those yeets. Okay. So I'm not going to be super careful with this one like I was in the last one because I already painted the sides and edges. So we're just going to pour some in the center, and then I'm going to tilt it all out. Dixie cups. I have two, and I'm going to keep one out just in case. Okay, so the last one we did, I intentionally put a lot of the white, or not a lot, just a tiny bit in the bottom of each cup, thinking that when I had poured the main yeet, then I would be able to make a lot of those little fine lines. And I don't think I had enough in there, so I'm going to pour a little bit extra this time. We're going to start with that pearl white. And then I'm going to put some of that aquamarine in there. And then I'm going to go back to the white actually. Put a little bit of bronze. Some 24 karat gold. Another layer of the white. Another layer of the Aquamarine. I'm gonna put one more layer of white on top of that. Because I want there to be really high contrast between the black and what I'm throwing around on there. All right. I think I want to go this way again in this orientation like we did last time. I'm gonna torch this real quick to make sure there's no bubbles or anything.
What are the chances you're gonna yeet all the way over here?
Yeah, I would move your phone. Just in case. Okay. Here we go. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Okay.
Semper Paratus.
So I'm gonna try to get a curve on it and hopefully it'll work out. Here we go. Okay.
Joy likes.
Oh, good. Oops, I did get your camera. The bottom.
It's okay.
Okay.
You've gotten it before.
Okay, we're gonna do one more. Ready, darling? Okay. Here we go. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more of the pearl white in there. Actually, I'm gonna get a clean cup and just put a little bit pearl white in there, and maybe a touch of gold. Okay. All right, you ready, darling?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Where do we need one of these?
You got my knee. And it looks like my phone after all.
Okay. All right, I like this. I like what's happening, and these long streaks. You want a paper towel?
It's okay, yeah. I made it sugar, but I won't melt, baby.
There we go. Okay, so this is actually looking pretty cool to me. I love the little bit of splattering that we got around there. This one, HOA, can you see right in here? This one's got that like unicorn twist on it. And so does that one at the end.
Awesome.
Look at that one. That one's really cool. Okay. This is cool. Let's torch this one more time. Now, you had mentioned something about using our smack stick or maybe a palette knife.
Or a marble.
I don't want to do a marble, but I might take my little palette knife here and okay, we're going to start with this like big line of pearl. I'm going to do that same thing in here. And then, let's see. Come in through this area. I don't know if I love that, but it's not bad.
I do.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm gonna do one more through up here through this big slash of bronze. It's kind of flamey, that's why you like it.
I hadn't directly connected that dot, but okay.
Oh, I know you. I'm a little concerned that there seems to be quite a bit of paint on there, but I don't want to tilt it. Okay, we're gonna go one more in through here, yeah? I'll try something. I'll try it over here on this edge. Let's see if we... Oh, that's not bad. I like Jessica's scoop and drag technique. If you haven't checked out Jessica Winterstrom, go check out her channel. She's amazing. She's also going to be at ForCon too, which I'm very excited about. Alright, so I'm just going to kind of... Because in the last one I wasn't crazy about this very blunt edge that I was getting. And I'm happy to find a way to elongate that and make it a little more organic looking maybe. I don't know if I like that one, but I'm not going to mess with it too much. Alright, I'm just going to do one more through here. Not be quite so rounded and blunt on that edge. Okay. I don't think I want to do any more to it than that. I'm not sure that I love those, but we'll see how they dry. But really what I was hoping would happen, and I think I got a lot more of, are these white lines and wispy bits that are all over here, and some of those little speckly dots, which are pretty cool. But I'm loving these like unicorn twists. Like this one is really cool, and all through here. I guess when it flies, it really flies. But these are beautiful colors, and I'm hoping that this is going to dry nicely. So let me pull it this way a little bit more so you guys can see the whole thing. And that's pretty cool. So I will show you guys when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today and being a part of my experimentation. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a like. If you can, share the video to your social media. I would really appreciate that. And we'll be right back with the dried results. Okay, so here we are a few days later, and it is totally dry now. This one came out very, very pretty, and there's some parts that I absolutely love. I really like that very opaque black base coat, which is awesome. I love these colors on there, that Aquamarine from Treasure Gold, Folk Art, and the bronze and the gold, and of course our pearl. But then these little details, like this really cool spiral with some ghosty effects. Came out so neat. I do love all of the colors in here. I'm not sure that I like the lines that I created with the palette knife. I mean, it broke up some of the more solid areas, but overall I feel like there was a little bit too much paint on this one. Not too much in terms of overall, but just on top of each other. And since I didn't tilt it, I was a little concerned about that, but it did dry nicely and no cracking. There's one more spiral over here that I love. Look at this huge. This one with the pointy little, oh my gosh, it's so cool. Like right there, that's amazing. I love it. But this is really fun. The colors came out beautifully. You know, that bronze and the gold together, like right in here, that bronze is so rich and beautiful and sparkly with the gold in there. So this was fun. HOA was telling me that he thinks it kind of looks like a seashell, and my daughter was telling me that she sees unicorn horns. So I think this one's going to be unicorn shell. And it was lots of fun. I learned a lot from this one, and I have one more that I'm going to show you guys on Sunday. That's going to be really cool. I think that I've taken what I've learned from this one and applied it to that next one. So this is definitely a work in progress. I'm having a lot of fun with this progression though, and I hope you guys are too. I hope you do give it a try because it is a lot of fun. It's very freeing, you know, and some really awesome effects. So this was awesome. Thank you guys so much for being here with us today. I really appreciate all of you, and we'll see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.